Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you are new, welcome. And if you are not new, thank you for coming back for another video. So today I have for you guys a look from the Desert Oasis palette by BH Cosmetics. This palette, I said, I had it in my best of affordable eyeshadow palettes for 2018. So I'm definitely going to wanted to bring you guys a look from the palette, and here it is, so beautiful. So if you want to see how I achieved this stunning look with this $22 or on sale for $13 palette, definitely stay tuned. Alright, let's hop into it with Dune and my transition on a fluffy brush. Next, going in with Nightscape to start my halo. This is so freaking pigmented, you guys. And this is going to just be on the outer V. I'm not even connecting them in the center. Look at that. It's so brown. It's so dark it looks kind of black. Okay. Then on the inner corner. And I meant to say I'm not connecting these two spaces. The inner and outer. I'm not connecting that. Look at this, guys. And this palette, last time I checked, it was on sale for $13. Alright, anyways, okay, going in next with Sandstone on a smaller brush to blend out those, the harsh lines, and this is the orangey shade in the palette, and just taking that on the perimeter of the dark shade that we just used, so blending away that harsh line that was there, and the harsh line that was here. What I am going to do is take this orange shade across, though, and blend that more farther into the transition area. Okay. Okay, with a little additional product on my brush in the Nightscape shade. I'm just blending a little bit farther out to blow it out a little bit, because you see how that's going a little bit farther out, so blending that out a little bit more. Nothing additional on the small brush, just taking that and blend, blend, blend. There we go. That's it for that. Now for the metallic in the middle, to cover that, I'm going to go in with Prickly Pear on my finger. It's a nice brown green, like duochrome shade. Guys, Jesus. And you just take it a little bit over the dark brown to make sure it blends out. And so in some lights it looks a little bit more brown. Sometimes in some lights it looks, you know, at some angles, I mean, it looks a little bit more like bronzy, greenish. It's really beautiful. Oh my gosh. And so I'm not dipping back into that. I'm just putting the main product in the center where, you know, in the middle of our halo, and then whatever's left, tapping that lightly on top of the brown portions of the eye, dark brown portions of the eye, so that it's more of a transition. Next, this really sets it off, y'all. Okay, I'm going into Hot Spring, which is the bright blue shade in the palette, on a tiny little brush. It's like a really dense packed brush, and then I'm just popping this right on the edges of where we applied Prickly Pear, and doing a light little rub, you know. Gosh, guys. And then we really can see it on the inner, doing that on both sides. Oh gosh. Wow. Alright, and so if you think some of your brown got lost, which I think mine is fine, don't add any additional product. Just go over that area with your brush. Ah, my gosh. I can't. Alright, let me put my liner and lashes on. Guys, this is it. Do you see this? Do you see this? This is so pretty. I can't. BH, I'm serious, bro. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. The quality. Okay, I didn't. Alright, anyways. Let me stop. Let me finish my eyes and then I will be back. Alright guys, here is the final look. Alright guys, so this is not my first impressions on this palette. I just wanted to bring you guys a look with it because I, first of all, mentioned it in my best of affordable eyeshadows of 2018, and I'm using it this month for the Haul My Stash series. So yeah, I wanted to bring you guys some looks with it. I'm gonna be doing a series, I think, on this palette because it is the bomb. Okay, it is, oh my gosh, it's so good. When I used it before, when I got it when it first came out, you know, a little bit after it first came out. I think I got it like a couple months after it came out. I think I paid $22 for it with like a little discount code or something. Right now, I think it's on sale for $13. If not, I will correct myself in the editing. But this is a great palette. Oh my gosh, I just can't. I can't with how beautiful this eyeshadow look came out. This is so beautiful. Guys, it is so freaking beautiful. I'm serious. Oh my gosh. No trouble with the blending. No trouble with pigmentation on any of the formulas, the mattes or the metallics. Gosh, I just couldn't believe it. When I put this together on the first eye, I was like, oh my gosh. This is definitely worthy of a series. So I think I'm going to be doing at least 2 more looks with this palette for you guys so you can see how versatile this is, because at first look it all looks a little bit, you know, I guess similar with just a couple of pops. This blue right here is the main pop, and then everything else looks super neutral and stuff, but it is pretty, guys. Very pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I'm going to add some swatches here. So we've got Moonscape, Quartz, Canyon, Sand, then we have Terrain, Pear, a nice duochrome, Cactus, another nice duochrome, Dune, Nightscape, Turquoise, Mineral, Sandstone, Heat Haze, and Hot Spring. Serenity. This. So you guys can see, you know, how they swatch or whatever, but look for a couple more looks coming from this palette, okay? Girl, it took my little breath away today. I forgot how good these metallics perform, and then they just blended together so beautifully. And then I feel like the blue is like there, but it's subtle, so it's not like super in your face. Gosh. Okay, I'm telling you guys, you need to get it. Okay, before I even do the other, you can wait till I do the other 2 looks, sure, but I'm telling you guys, because this is not my first time using it. It's a good palette, okay? So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. And yeah, I wanted to put more affordable palettes on the channel for all my girls out here who's like, I'm not trying to spend $125 on a Pat McGrath, $126, $29, whatever it is on a Natasha Denona, okay? Even $45 on ABH. Not trying to do that, but here we've got a good one. All right, guys? So yeah, I'll be talking to you guys really soon. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content from me. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and enjoyable. And I will be talking to you guys really, really soon. See ya.